Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs, very stylish videos of crochet cup coaster designs. Crochet cup coasters ideas are used in different things like in teacup for use and is crochet many things, and I have shared with newly video, newly attractive things, attractive look, and you look be fantastic and fabulous designs. I have shared with newly videos. Keep watching and stay will be amazing videos, amazingly designed. You look be perfect videos. I have more fantastic videos. Keep watching and stay will be amazing videos, and stay connected with our channels for different topics, ideas of cup coasters. Just amazing and gorgeous videos we have to share with newly attractive things, and you look be prettiest videos. I have shared with attractive things and different topics and different gorgeous videos. You look be perfect videos I have shared with you, and different topics, ideas, different topics videos. You look be amazing videos I have shared with newly attractive things, attractive ideas. So I will more fantastic and fabulous videos. Keep more fantastic, keep more attractive things. You look be fantastic videos, so I request you all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for notification. All subscribers, all daily members will be amazing videos, will be gorgeous videos, and different topics, designs. So let's amazing videos, let's gorgeous videos I have shared with newly videos. Keep fabulous, keep sharing, and will be amazing videos. Thanks. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs, very stylish videos of crochet cup coaster designs. Crochet cup coasters ideas are used in different things like